All right, we're doing the brakes on the Supra today. When I say brakes, I mean brake pads.
As you can see, the brake dust is retarded.
Yeah, the brake dust is quite retarded from the stock pads. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see. That's how bad the brake dust is. It is horrible. We'll wash the car, go to a meet, and by the time he's there, the wheels are black. So we're going with the Power Stop Extreme Street Performance brake pads.
D26 model.
Not sponsored, but could be. Super nice. They're very, very well constructed. Comes with everything you need. The shims, the tension plates, whatever the fuck those are called. Comes with leaking bags of lubricant. Very nice. So we're gonna get started. I think we'll do the rears first, right?
As well.
Yeah, well, we can't get the front jacked up because of how far you are in the garage. So I might as well just do the rears first. And then do the, what are those, where are those things at?
ZL1.
Is that the name of the company? Like a Camaro ZL1?
They do a lot of domestic stuff, but they for some reason decided to do some Supra stuff.
So ZL1 add-ons that make shit for Camaros. Also makes a little like fin in the back, because as you can see, these chunky boy tires are sticking out. So to stop all this like road grime spray, they just go on.
This way. I don't know.
Yeah, I think they're the same. Yeah, it just bends into the fender and stock location as Ricky scratches his car. Yeah, that's just like that. That's kind of cool. So we'll get those on too. But we're gonna get started in just a second. Just got to get the car jacked up and get the wheels off. So gonna do that. I'll probably set up the tripod since I'm gonna actually be working and Ricky's gonna be drinking. Set up the tripod. But yeah, then we have what's it called tonight? Clean Culture.
It's a collaborative meet. It's like a bunch of people.
Yeah, it's like some big
Culture.
meet. All these different clubs getting together to have a big car show or car meet. So we're gonna go to that tonight. Good. What's the problem here? What's the fucking problem? Where's the other one at? Is it the same?
It's recording.
We don't know what we're doing. Oh, it's like not fitting right. They give you the ones for a Z4, not a Supra. Yeah, it's like not fitting.
Maybe put the back in first.
Nah.
Like the right side in, like, and then push the front down.
I'm trying, bro. No, these don't fit. We don't needle nose that. These little fins were bent a little bit more on the stock
Maybe it
one.
like does it as you drive.
No. You just like press in, but they're just not, it ain't happening. About to put the stock ones back in. Yeah, no shot.
I'm saying pop this in first and then put the front in.
I mean, they look almost identical.
Yeah, pop the back side.
I don't fucking know. It's in. I don't think, I didn't look at it when I took them off. I think they float. Yeah, I don't know. That doesn't seem right to me. Let me put the stock one back on.
Let's see how it looks.
Yeah. You see, like it.
Oh, yeah.
It's like flush.
Yeah, just keep the stock ones. They don't have no miles on them.
Stupid. Yeah, it's like all the grease is on there.
Okay.
Jesus Christ. Ah, see?
Cool.
That's better. That makes me feel a lot better too. Don't need you fucking driving down the street and
Disassembles itself.
yeah, We'll wipe everything down when we're done.
Yeah.
All right, so let's pop this guy in first. Okay.
Grease that one.
Not yet.
On the surface.
Huh?
On the surface of the fucking
It's like you're supposed to put it all on this, right?
And I guess you put some on the piston itself.
Yeah, I will before I slide it back in.
But everybody has their own theories about where you should put it. The service manual basically says dip the whole brake pad in different degrees. So.
Oh god. Sounds about right. Okay, that's in. Then put a little on the piston.
Well, see if you can even fit the piston over the pad first before you smear shit everywhere.
I just put it on the back of the pad. Same shit.
Basically, you'll know if you can't slide the caliper over it.
Mm-hmm.
You should also try and put the sensor thing.
Sensor goes in last.
Okay. Too much like
Biggest fucking.
Here, I need a little more.
Oh god.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Just push while you're doing it.
Oh, I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
It's better.
I don't know. I don't know how this works. Reminds me of a 240 though. There we go.
Like a glove?
Jesus Christ.
Alright guys, so this is how you detonate your brakes on the 215.
Oh wait, these are the single-use ones?
Yeah, I need the new ones.
Oh. As I'm putting it back in. Say something, bro.
I did.
Alright, cool. So yeah, these are single-use, and Toyota didn't even know that, but it is. Let me get the sensor hooked back up too. And then you gotta put this guy, this little guy. Can't even see what the fuck I'm doing. There we go. Alright, cool. Sensor's back on. Put some light on the subject, so you gotta make sure that sensor goes back on. That's the wear sensor. I popped it off before we pulled everything apart because that will just, the wires will just come out. So got the new ones. Make sure those old ones are gone. And these are torque to yield.
Yeah.
What's the torque setting on this?
26 foot-pounds.
26 foot-pounds. We need a smaller torque wrench.
Like, yeah, like a 3/8 or a
Yeah.
Later. Got it?
Yep. Sometimes you just gotta hit it.
Oh, I will.
All right, cool. We're gonna get this installed and then do those ZL1 add-on things that go right there. And that was actually pretty easy, so we'll get this done and do the other side. Okay. All right, cool. This side's done. Got to tighten his lug studs. They're actually kind of loose. The ZL1 add-on piece is there. And also on this side, just finished the new pads. You can see them in there, those extremes. Torque to yield bolts on this side, of course, as well. There is no sensor on this side, so that makes it a little bit easier. Just need to tighten these up and clean them up with a wire brush because they are dirty. And that's the ZL1 add-on piece right there. So this side's done. Gonna button all this up, tighten everything, and then do the fronts. All right, so I forgot to record the fronts, but they're in. There's like a thin layer of adhesive on the back of the stock Brembo pads that instead of like a lube or grease, they have it stuck to the piston. So you have to like jiggle it back and forth. You pop your pins out here, they come out the backside. They only go in and out one way. So you punch them through this way and then slide them back in the same way. Just tap them with a hammer on the backside to put them back in right here and right here. And then once you break that adhesive, we put lube on the new ones, slid them in, pop the pressure plate back in, pins go back in, and then we re-torqued all the studs because these were actually kind of loose. So now we're gonna throw the wheels back on, and that's it, we're done. All right, so all done. Pads are all on, the studs are seated better. Ricky's going to a meet. I can't go, unfortunately, so I'm missing out on some good footage.
Damn, those fucking ZL1 things are hella dirty already.
Just from driving 2 seconds. Yeah, well, that means they're doing something.
All that dirt was hitting the car before.
Yeah. It's just like a little pop out.
I think the Corvettes have like that little strip, right?
Yeah, they do. All right, bro. See you later. Have fun.